And so sometimes we say, he doesn't pay me any attention, she doesn't pay me any attention. We got to remind ourselves, the very thing that we're wanting from someone else, are we first giving it to ourselves? And we miss that sometimes. And then we sometimes get in a situation and a person wants to know, what do you want? I don't know, you should know. And so when we say that, when we show that, I want us to know we're giving our power away. And then when they begin to treat us any old way and we're mad about it, rather than jumping on them, we need to check ourselves.
I love this workshop. This is my first time attending, and Dr. Martin is just awesome. She's an awesome person. I had the opportunity to learn a lot about myself today that I didn't know about myself, as well as sharing with others. So it was an awesome experience.
It was absolutely amazing. Everything starts with the first step. Everything starts with the first step.
It's like we're apologizing for goodness and kindness, and I believe we need to get out of that habit. We're going to break that old way of being and bring the newness in.
I had no idea of what to expect when I came. I was optimistic because I knew it was something that was being facilitated by Dr. Martin, and every interaction I have had with her has always been awesome. It's authentic, it's work, there's no fluff, it's thinking, we're working, it's a journey. And because of that, I was excited to come, optimistic about what the outcome would be.
In order for us to be seen, we have to first see ourselves. Does that make sense?
I have had a wonderful time. The title, New Year, New You, I absolutely feel refreshed. I feel cleansed. I am excited I was excited before I walked through the door. I'm excited now with all the information, all of the knowledge, all the love that was poured into me. I feel amazing leaving today, and I'm excited for the next one.